In this video, we will explore the functional capabilities of the widgets in each widget category at a high level. Let's start by looking at the window showing the list of widget categories available to us. We are going to click on each of the categories and briefly describe, at a high level, the widgets within each category. The Text and Tables widget category contains one widget for adding a text slide to a panel playlist, and multiple table options. The simplest table widget lets us create a table and populate its contents manually. The other three table widgets allow us to format a table which will be populated automatically, from a CSV file or SQL database value. The Video widget category contains widgets to support almost any type of video. There are widgets to support HTML5, Windows and Flash videos. Both YouTube and Vimeo video platforms have their own widgets to allow you to bring those videos into your show content. There are widgets for the video players, JW Player and Flow Player. These two video players support video formats such as MP4, FLV, WebM, M3U8, H264, RTP, RTMP and more. Finally, there are also widget sets which come with Display5's integration to leading enterprise video platforms such as Kaltura or Kumu. The Audio and Music widget category contains a widget which allows us to create a slide, which has an embedded audio file. The file will play back automatically when the slide is active in the playlist. The widget also allows us to upload an image that will appear on the screen when the audio file is playing. The Images widget category contains 4 image widgets. The first one allows us to add images of most file types as content slides in our playlist, including JPEG, GIF, PNG and BMP. There is a Ken Burns widget, which allows us to apply, pan, zoom, and other motions to an image file, bringing images to life as they are played. There is a widget which allows us to import multiple images simultaneously and add them to our playlist. For example, we could import a full PowerPoint deck all at once. Finally, there is an Image widget, which allows us to add multiple images into a frame, and then play each image for the same specified duration of time. The RSS widget category contains a number of widgets, which give us different options to view and play RSS feeds, with or without images. The Tickers and Smart Text widget category contains several different widgets, which allow us to create scrolling ticker messages, with different fonts, speeds, backgrounds, and many more options. This category also has a widget which can turn an RSS feed into a scrolling ticker or marquee. The Weather widget category contains a set of widgets, which allow us to add real-time weather content to our shows. There is a wide range of sources for the weather information to pick from, to give us weather in any part of the globe, and in different formats. There is also a table widget for weather, which allows us to build a custom formatted layout of weather information. There is support for various languages in some of the widgets. The Time and Date widget category contains widgets which we can add to our shows, to give us the current time and date. We can have multiple clocks with different time zones in a single show. We have many choices of both digital and analog clocks, in both Flash and HTML. The Other widget category contains many different types of widgets. It is a catch-all category of widgets, which has some very powerful and popular widgets. There are several Google widgets for maps, markets, stocks and Google Calendar, 3 Twitter widgets, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, PDF, and even widgets for the live status of the London Underground lines in the City of London, England. The Live Stream widget category contains widgets to make live streams, from various sources, available on our displays. The Charts and KPI widget category contains widgets which allow us to add different charts, graphs and gauges to our playlist. There are both widgets where the data is directly input into the widget, and widgets where a CSV file is used to update the values in the charts and graphs. The Web Content and Links widget category contains 2 very powerful widgets. A link widget, which allows us to link to an internet or intranet page or document, and an HTML embed code widget, which allows us to add an HTML snippet or an embed code and display the desired content. The Specialty Slides widget category contains simple, but powerful widgets, which allow us to do some extraordinary things with how our shows display content, how we can change show play, and allowing us to combine shows. The Emergency Features widget category contains widgets that connect to commercial emergency services messaging. The Contact Center widget category contains tickers, tables and charts which are specially built to pull stats from enterprise platforms for contact centers, such as Avaya, Cisco or Genesys. We can use these widgets to pull exactly the data we need, in real time, from these platforms, and display it on screens. The last three categories are Room Scheduler widget categories, and are a series of widget tools for room status display and booking. They can be used on room panels, or as part of a canvas on any size display. There is a different set of widgets for Microsoft Exchange, Microsoft Office 365, and Google Calendar. Details on each widget type can be found in the help documentation, and in videos dedicated to specific widgets. This concludes the video. In the next video, we will explore the common elements of all widgets in the Display5 platform.